Hey guys, if you're trying to update or install Dream League Soccer 2026 and you keep seeing the message can't install Dream League Soccer 2026, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your storage. Go to your phone storage settings and make sure you have enough free space. If storage is low, delete unused files, apps or videos to free up space. If you already have enough storage but the error still shows, do this next. Open settings, go to apps, then search for Dream League Soccer or DLS. Tap it and choose uninstall. Before uninstalling, make sure your game is linked to Google Play or App Store on iPhone so you don't lose your progress. After that, open the Google Play Store, search for Dream League Soccer and install it again. Once it's done, open the game and the problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.